Hello, welcome to the latest episode of Man Overboard 50 is nothing but a number, yo, with your host, Language Sparrow. We're trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by June 1st of this year, so if you could help and subscribe to the channel, it would be greatly appreciated. Up next, a beautiful character home with attractive garden, 129,000 euro, which is approximately 150,000 US dollars. 2-bedroom, 1 bath, living space is 75 square meters, which is approximately 750 square feet. The land square meters is 3,475, which is approximately 30,475 square meters. It's located in the countryside in a small hamlet. There is an outbuilding. The condition is excellent, as you will note throughout the pictures. Yes, there is centralized heating, internal features, character throughout, garden all around, open countryside views with almost 1 acre of land. So now let's get into the description of the property. Delightful 2-bedroom restored house in a hamlet between Voulam and Civray, which is just a short drive away. The house is detached, has outbuildings and beautiful grounds with fruit trees. The property has a lot of potential to be extended thanks to the adjoining stone barn. Close by is a popular swimming lake and picnic area with a restaurant at Saint-Macoux. Living space on the ground floor, living room, laminated floor, remote control ceiling fans, fitted kitchen, pellet stove, remote control ceiling fans. There's a water closet. There's also a laundry room. On the first floor, there's the landing, which is laminated flooring. There's 1 bedroom, which is 15 square meters with a fan. There's also a water closet on that floor. There's a 2nd bedroom, which is 9 square meters. Also has laminated floor with a ceiling fan. And there is a shower room also. Exterior, there's a workshop adjoining the house with a concrete floor. There's an attached barn, 55 square meters, in immaculate condition. You'll see this is a beautiful, beautiful home with electric door under a mezzanine. Large courtyard in front of the house, enclosed garden at the back, accessible through a rear gate, which also leads into the woods. There's 2 sheds with electricity, fruit trees, 2 walnuts, 1 plum, and 1 cherry. Vienne apartment is in the region of Tout-Charente. The name of the department comes from Vienne River, and the area benefits from interesting location that is not far from the Atlantic but also close to the center of France. Poitiers is the main town of the French department with some massive theme parks. So if you're ready, let's get it and get into it. First picture. This is a picture of the exterior. You can see the house has a very large open lawn in the front of the house. This is an aerial view of the property. It's approximately 1 acre. This is the front entrance. You can see the front entrance is walled by 2 cypress trees. Show the rear of the house with a large parking space. It looks to be gravel parking. Again, the picture of the exterior of the house in the rear. This is the interior living space in the living room. You can see double doors leading out to the rear of the property. And this room is large enough to accommodate both a couch and a love seat. This again is the living room. This is a picture of the fitted kitchen, laminated floors. Again, a picture of the kitchen, laminated floors. It's also large enough for eat-in table. This is a picture of the 1st bedroom with windows overlooking the courtyard and the lawn. Again, a picture of the bedroom. This is a picture of the shower room and bathroom on that level. Again, a picture of the bathroom on that level. This is a picture of the 2nd bedroom. You can see it's somewhat smaller, but large enough to accommodate both the wardrobe and a dresser. This is a picture of the kitchen from the looking in from outdoors. You can see it's a beautiful oak wood door. The picture of the kitchen facing the front lawn of the property. This is the kitchen of the workspace. You can see the property is in immaculate condition. This is a picture of the garage. You can see the garage is below and there's a mezzanine above. Picture of the upper level of the garage. You can see the property is in excellent, excellent condition. This is a picture of the garden. And a picture of the driveway, a gravel driveway leading up to the house. This is a picture of the yard, 1 acre of land that's purchased with this property. This is the aerial picture of the property. Next, we're going to look at the floor plan for the house. This is the 1st floor. So you're looking at the cuisine, which is the kitchen, salon, the living room, boulangerie, that's the laundry room, atelier, the office, garage avec mezzanine, grange, and that's the barn. That's the 1st level. 2nd level, you look at the chambre. That's the bedroom, dressing room next to it. Then there's a water closet. Then you also, next to that, you're going to look at the salle d'eau, which is the bathroom, shower room, and then the bedroom too, chambre d'eau. And you can see also attached is the mezzanine du garage, so that's the mezzanine for the building. Next up, you can look at the plot of land and see how the house is situated. So we're going to open the map up and take a look and see exactly kind of where we are with this this property. Again, it's in a small hamlet, and it's going to be located between Volame and Civray. So it's going to be located close to Saint-Macoux, which has a lake and I think some boating activity. So we're going to open up the map, take a look at Civray, because it's the largest city or town near this particular property. So Civray has a population of about 2,600 people. We're going to take a look at some of the images here, the town, the market, the church, and see what's available in this particular town. Now, as you can see on the map, there's Saint-Macoux. This is kind of a lake area for boating and kayaking, canoeing type of thing. And here's some images of the lake. And as you can see, right below there is Volame. Kind of right here, Volame. There's not really, doesn't appear to be much activity going on there. It appears actually to be kind of small. So if your activity is probably going to involve trips to Civray. And so this is the 17-minute drive from Civray to the airport. And then I also wanted to look up the train station. So it's a 9-minute ride to the closest train station from there. And then I also wanted to see what kind of grocery stores or supermarkets. So as you can see, it's approximately a 4-minute drive to the local supermarket, which is Super U Market. Now we're going to look at buses. They do have buses located in this town, and so the bus station is, I think, a 2-minute drive from Civray to the bus station. And here, this is one of the larger hospitals in the region. It's about an hour and 3 minutes from Civray. So as you can imagine, as I mentioned before, a lot of these towns that are reasonably priced, whether it's France, Italy, or Spain, are going to be located in remote villages or small towns. As I mentioned before, we're trying to reach a goal of 1,000 subscribers by June 1st. So if you could subscribe to the channel and help us reach our goal, it would be greatly appreciated. Again, thank you for stopping by, and we'll catch you on the next episode. Ciao for now.